Okay, so the unit stays on. We have a Goodman frozen up, no copper cooling or nothing like that, and the unit just stay on. Turn it off. That contactor's gonna stay stuck. Yep, there it is. See? It's all stuck. No, it's the power's off already. Oh, look, the little spring came off. So we have a bad contactor. There you go. But look at the little ping. So we gotta defrost this and you replace that contactor.
What the fuck, okay?
A fast way to defrost the unit is by turning the heater on. Goodman. Here's our new contactor we're going to be using, a 2-pull, and I have a 1-pull, like this one, but this will do. Just gotta put some wires in a different position.